In order for your plants to grow back healthier in spring, you need to prune in the fall. Here's how. Before you prune, you need to make sure the plants are dormant. This should be around late fall. Different plants have different ways of pruning. But generally, dead, or diseased branches, and stems should be cut off, along with dead flowers. Fall isn't the best time for heavy pruning. That should be done in late winter, or early spring. Make sure your pruning tools are always clean, so you don't spread any diseases between plants. After you're done pruning, discard the debris, and make sure to give the plants lots of mulch, to survive the winter.